Hi guys, so we are the Astronomy Club of University of Sri Javadanapura. So today we're going to be attempting to make a water rocket. So first of all, I'm going to introduce the materials that we're going to be needing in order to make the water rocket. First of all, we're going to need 2 soda bottles, and it's better if you can have the same type of bottles because it's better to fit it. And this is a tennis ball. So this is to balance the water rocket mainly, and this is an ice cream lid. As alternatives for this, we can use X-ray papers and binding sheets as well. And we will be needing this in order to create the wings for the rocket. So if you look carefully, you can see that a bottle can be separated into 3 major parts. So you take one of the bottles and mark the top part, then you cut it open. Once you have the top part, mark another margin just like this. And cut that part as well. Now you take the tennis ball. Now place it like this and tape it. Just make sure the ball is placed properly. This will stabilize the rocket. Now take the remaining part of the bottle and mark another margin at the bottom of the bottle. Cut it like this. Now take the other bottle and place the tennis ball just like this. So now you have the base of your rocket. Now you take the middle part of the previous bottle and place it like this. Now this is to attach the wings into it, but if you want, you can straight away attach the wings to the rocket as well. Now we almost have the design. So now take the ice cream lid and draw wings in the ice cream lid. So as alternatives for this, as I mentioned before, we can also use X-ray sheets. If you feel like it's difficult for you to decide the size of the wings, there is no strict standard size for the wings of the rocket, but their size and shape significantly affect the rocket's stability and flight performance. So a good guideline is to size the wings proportionally to the bottle and experiment to optimize the performance. It could be roughly around 7 centimeters in height and 5 centimeters in width. So you draw triangular shapes as the wings, and the rectangular shapes that you can see here are the extra spaces that we have left to tape the wings into the rocket. To make the wings, we use lightweight but sturdy materials because we want to keep the rocket balanced and also minimize the weight. So to optimize the wings performance, we can position the wings low and there should be symmetry. We can have either 4 wings or 3 wings, both works, and adjust the angle of the wings to stabilize the rocket properly. Now you have your water rocket. Now fill the rocket with water. So when you're adding water, fill the bottle about 1/3 full with water. This will be acting as the fuel to the rocket, and also too much water will make the rocket heavy. Now you attach it to the launcher. So now, as you can see, we are using an air pump to pump air into the bottle to build pressure. Just make sure not to overdo this. Yeah, so once it's pressurized enough, you can release it. Based on the distance that you want your rocket to go, you can adjust the pressure. So as safety tips, you have to perform this activity in an open area where nobody is there, away from people and buildings, and do not overpressurize the bottle. And also, if possible, you can wear safety goggles during the launch. Always step back after pressurizing the rocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so this is how you make a water rocket. So if you need more content, you can subscribe to us, and also like our videos and comment down below if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much.